If you're anything like me, a large, hot bowl of comfort food is all you want when the weather gets cold. Comfort food doesn't have to mean unhealthy, because today, we're going to make our favorite healthy chili recipe, which is simple and ideal for these chilly days. Although this isn't your grandmother's 5-hour simmer, we can assure you that it's just as flavorful. So, let's dive right in and get this chili cooking. First things first, finely chop about 2 cups of red onion. Drop them into your pot with a splash of oil over medium-high heat. Cook for 5 minutes until it's softened. Next up, we're building the flavor foundation. So go ahead and chop about 1.5 cups of carrot and 1.5 cups of celery. These 2 veggies, along with our soft red onion, are going to give our chili the deep, classic flavor base it needs. Stir everything together until the vegetables are nice and tender. For a pop of color and a slightly peppery flavor, let's grab the bell peppers. Chop about 1.5 cups each of red and green bell peppers and cook for 2 more minutes. To add that punching kick, chop up about 5 cloves of garlic. Add it to the pot and stir constantly for just 1 minute of cooking. Time to add 800 grams of ground beef. Drop it right in and break it apart with your hand. Then stir until it's fully brown. Once the beef is fully cooked, add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Following that, season with salt and pepper to taste and mix well. Let's build those layers by adding 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of Maggi sauce for that rich umami boost, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard for some tang, and 2 tablespoons of dried oregano. Finish it off with 1 tablespoon of dry thyme. Now stir well until all the ingredients are fully combined. Let's start adding our liquids. Pour in 800 milliliters of diced tomatoes and 800 milliliters of tomato sauce. And give everything a good stir. Once you see the liquid start to bubble up, go ahead and reduce the heat right down to low. Next, add the beans. Put in 500 milliliters of pinto beans, 500 milliliters of kidney beans, and 500 milliliters of navy beans. To ensure a really deep, balanced flavor, add 3 bay leaves. Cover and let this beauty simmer for at least 30 minutes. Afterwards, check the flavor and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as necessary. And that's it. You got a seriously hearty and comforting meal that's still healthy. Because we build those layers of flavor the right way, there is no need to cook for hours. That is why you can enjoy this fantastic chili in no time at all. And with that, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please give this video a like and consider subscribing for more recipes like this. Until then, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.